Upgrade your comfort with PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning, delivering thermostat installation that maximizes efficiency, reduces energy costs, and ensures precise temperature control for your home today. Take control of your indoor climate with smart thermostat upgrades that boost comfort, improve system performance, and cut bills. Trust PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning to install quickly, optimize settings, and deliver dependable results when you need them most. Contact us today to schedule your free consultation. Are you looking for a thermostat installation service near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning. How do I know if I need a new thermostat? If your heating or cooling system shows uneven temperature, poor control, or rising energy bills, your thermostat device may be outdated or faulty and needs replacement. What types of thermostats are available for installation? Thermostats include manual, programmable, and smart devices, each offering different levels of temperature control, energy efficiency, and comfort depending on your HVAC system needs and setup. What is the service area for your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania location? Our thermostat installation service has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Swarthmore, Media, Glen Riddle, Brookhaven, Upland, Parkside, Village Green, Lima, Chester, Eddystone, Ridley Park, Folsom, Rutledge, Glenolden, Fulcroft, Leicester, Morton, Wallingford, Moylan, and Elwyn, Pennsylvania. Where is your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania thermostat installation service office located? We are located at 630 Fairview Road, number 110, Swarthmore, Pennsylvania 19081. Our phone number is 610-424-6275. Visit our website, pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Swarthmore.